5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think a lot of innovation is about looking at existing problems in new ways. And so an innovation challenge is a great way to address that because it brings in a lot of different viewpoints and not many constraints on the problem so that creativity can really be at the forefront of the problem solving.
My name is Nithya Kothner and I go to William Mason High School.
I'm Shreya Kothner. I go to William Mason High School as well. First reached out to us in the fall for the challenge, and they just gave us information about the Advanced Manufacturing Design competition.
The challenge this year was make Heater fly.
Try to model the Heater the Dragon design in the drone that was given to us.
Other than weight and general size constraints, the rest of it was totally up to them. Materials they could use, processes they could use, software they could use to work in.
We first started off with Onshape, modeling it, because that's what we use for robotics. And then we quickly switched over to Fusion 360 so we could use the Form workspace to design the 3D components that were more free-form and not as rigid as some things that we do for robotics.
We spent a lot of time stalking the internet on pictures that we could use to model from different angles of the dragon so we could kind of see what their nose looked like, how their ears were shaped, so that we can kind of model that as much as we could in the design.
From the perspective of us running the challenge and from the judges, everyone was very impressed with the students' ability to do the very advanced design of curved shapes, 3D, relief, things like that to essentially copy a very complex shape that is Heater the Dragon. These aren't just squares and right angles and straight lines and things like that. So the students did amazing there. And then with the fabrication, it was also really impressive what the students were able to do, some of the partnerships that they formed with local companies to do some of the larger printing. And I think from the students' perspective as well as the team mentor perspectives, it was a fantastic opportunity for them just to really increase their skills in those areas. So I think they found it very challenging, but very rewarding and something that they found valuable for their teams going into their regular season.
If you're working with the Air Force or if you're working with another company, that's very much outside of something most high school kids have that opportunity to do.
Giving students opportunities is critical. I hope they continue.
It definitely pushed me to learn skills that I wouldn't have learned before.